Hi guys, in today's video I'm sharing with you all my version of the popular soup called Zuppa Toscana served by Olive Garden. This is going to be a very easy, simple and delicious recipe you love serving your guests. So to start, I'm going in with some chili infused coconut oil, or you can use regular oil if you like, or you can totally omit it. I'm going in with 1 link of mild Italian sausage and I'm going to allow that to cook, breaking it up while it's cooking and allowing it to brown properly. We want to bring out the flavor in that sausage with all of those spices that's already in there. Now I'm going to go in with some chopped onions and some grated garlic. And you want to saute this until the garlic and the onions are tender. You don't want it to brown. Next, go in with 1 chopped russet potato, some chopped kale, toss and allow to cook for 1 minute just to help build some more flavor. And then go in with enough chicken stock, and I like using a low sodium chicken stock or broth, or you can make your own. You want to mix this and allow it to come up to a boil. Once it comes up to a boil, you're going to continue to cook this on a medium heat until the potatoes are very tender and start to fall apart. Once it's finished, the last thing you'll do is add in some heavy cream. You want to mix that heavy cream in, taste and adjust your salt accordingly, and then this soup will be ready to be served. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it, let me know down below if you like it. It was very simple and delicious. So thank you all so much for watching. Please continue to leave your requests in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.